From CBI questioning the former principal of RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata, where the trainee doctor was raped and murdered, to Aam Aadmi Party Manish Sisodia taking a Padyatra in Delhi, here are today's top stories. Hi, I'm Charulata Biswas and you're watching the Indian Express. Let's get started. Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, where the junior doctor was raped and murdered on August 9th, was questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation for over 1.5 hours. The CBI had taken over the investigation after questions were raised over the Kolkata police's handling of the case. Ghosh appeared for questioning at the CBI office at Kolkata CGO complex in the afternoon. According to sources, Ghosh had expressed concerns about his safety, because of which CBI officials took him to their office in an agency vehicle. Besides that, 5 people who allegedly vandalized RG Kar Hospital late night on August 14th were arrested with the help of social media users after Kolkata police put out screen grabs on their social media handles seeking help. Here is how it unfolded.
Shubhadeep Kundu, alias Sunny, Aurav Day, alias Babu, Soumyadeep Mahesh, alias Pamba, Rishikant Mishra, SK Sajan. These are 5 of the 19 arrests in the August 15 RG Kar vandalism case so far. These 5 were arrested with the help of social media users after Kolkata police put out screen grabs on their social media handles seeking help. What had happened at RG Kar Hospital? Around midnight of August 14th, people from across Kolkata had hit the streets in protest under the banner Reclaim the Night to urge authorities to make public spaces safer for women and ensure justice in the rape and murder case. That's when miscreants entered Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital and vandalized the area where people had gathered to protest against the rape and murder of a junior doctor who worked there. The miscreants allegedly attacked protesters, including doctors, and also damaged police vehicles, those present at the protest said.
West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee took out a rally against the incident of rape and murder of a woman doctor at the RG Kar Medical College in Kolkata.
আমি জানি সিপিএম আর বিজেপি ভাঙচুরটা করেছে আরজি করে গিয়ে নাটক করেও যখন শেষ হয়নি আমি সাধারণ মানুষের প্রতিবাদকে স্যালুট জানাই সাধারণ মা বোনেদের সেখানে আমার কিছু বলার নেই নিশ্চয়ই তারা তাদের ঠিক কাজ করেছেন বলে আমার মনে হয়
Amid nationwide strikes, resident doctors associations across Delhi held a protest too on Friday demanding justice for the trainee doctor. Here's our ground report.
हमेशा डॉक्टर के साथ मारपीट होती है आज रेप हो गया और मर्डर तक भी हो गया
कोई प्रोटेक्शन हमारे कॉलेज में ही नहीं है कोई भी कभी भी घुस सकता है कहीं भी कुछ भी हो सकता है
कॉलेज के जो स्टाफ है उनको रिजाइन करना चाहिए पूरे ऊपर से नीचे तक को
क्योंकि इट इज़ अ बेसिक नीड क्योंकि अभी ये सिर्फ एक इंसिडेंस है बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स हुए डॉक्टर्स को कोई प्रोटेक्शन हमारे कॉलेज में ही नहीं है कोई भी कभी भी घुस सकता है कहीं भी कुछ भी हो सकता है तो जब तक सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट नहीं आएगा और जस्टिस नहीं मिलेगा हमको ये प्रॉब्लम
जैसे आप सब जानते हैं पूरे देश जानते हैं जो कोलकाता में आरजी कार मेडिकल कॉलेज में जो इंसिडेंट हुआ इतना दर्दनाक इंसिडेंट हुआ है हमारे देश की बेटी के साथ तो हम सारे ऐसे डॉक्टर नहीं ऐसे पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ नहीं ऐसे इंडियन ऐसे हिंदुस्तानी बन के हम सब 4-5 दिन से हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं कल तक हम पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट इसीलिए थे क्योंकि 15 अगस्त है क्योंकि वी आर द रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री हमें इन चीज़ का ख्याल रखना है तो कल शाम तक हमने बिल्कुल पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट किया है आज हम मजबूर हो गए कि हमारे आवाज़ कोई कहीं से नहीं सुनाई जा रहे तो आज हम यहाँ तक आए हैं तो हमारे में पूरी राइट से हम यहाँ क्यों ना आए जब हम पे आप पहले हम पे सिर्फ पिटाई होती थी आज हम पे लाठी चार्ज हो रही है आज डॉक्टर्स पे आपने कल इंसिडेंट देखा होगा मॉब्स ने कितने बारबेरिक तरीके से वहाँ पे सारे चीज वो तोड़ दी वहाँ पे तो इसलिए हमारे मांग है मैम की एक तो जो बेटी है हमारी जो बहन है उसकी जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन सीबीआई को सौंपी गई है उसमें फेयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन और क्रिस्टल क्लियर चीज़ें पब्लिक के सामने रखा जाए। दूसरा हमारी मांग है मैम, ताकि ये चीज़ें दोबारा न हो आगे आने वाले दिनों में, क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा हमेशा डॉक्टर के साथ मारपीट होती है। आज रेप हो गया और मर्डर तक भी हो गया। हम चाहते हैं कि ये चीज़ें दोबारा ना हो, इसलिए सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने पहले बोला था कि हम ऐसे एक लाएंगे, लेकिन अफसोस 8 साल हो गए जो वो एक अभी तक हमें देखने को नहीं मिलता है।
हमारी डिमांड है आरजीकर कॉलेज की जो भी हो रखा है उसको पहले सोल्व किया जाए। जो उनकी डिमांड है आरजीकर कॉलेज के, हम उनके साथ खड़े हैं। आरजीकर कॉलेज के जो स्टाफ है उनको रिजाइन करना चाहिए पूरे ऊपर से नीचे तक को, और जो उसको बिल्कुल न्याय मिलना चाहिए। जो अभी जो गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई है, पोस्टमार्टम डिटेल में कुछ और निकल के आ रहा है, जो पहले कुछ और बताया गया था, सुसाइड बता दिया गया था, विक्टिम को साइकोटिक बता दिया गया था, जो बहुत गलत है। जस्टिस डिनाइड, यही जस्टिस है क्या? मतलब एक डॉक्टर जो पीजी बन चुकी रेजिडेंट है, उसको इतने साल बाद में ये झेलना पड़ेगा कि नॉर्मल कॉमन आदमी कहाँ झेलेगा इस चीज़ को? अभी तो फिर भी वो एक डॉक्टर है, बहुत सोसाइटी में हाई लेवल पे है, उसको ये झेलना पड़ा है कि उसके कितने हिनियस क्राइम को सुसाइड बता दिया गया है। ये बहुत गलत है।
Justice for our sister, for our doctor, for the daughter of our nation. We want justice for her. We want Data Protection Act. We want our safety and our own workplace. And we, as the women of our nation, stand with all the women, all the society, not our sisters. Safety is very basic need. We want it. Just asking for our own safety and our own workplace. That's it.
With the Election Commission's announcement on Friday, Jammu and Kashmir is set to hold its first assembly elections in a decade and elect a government after more than 6 years under central rule. Here's what the Election Commission said.
20th of August, just the next day of the Amarnath Yatra being complete, the 19th, would be the date of notification for the first phase. Nominations till 27th. Scrutiny on the next day 28th, and date of poll will be 18th of September, and it's a Wednesday. We are also keeping that in mind, not keeping Fridays and Mondays to give a longer holiday spell. Second phase would be on 29th of August, and the statutory period of nominations and all, poll being on 25th of September. And phase 3, nomination on 5th of September, and every voting finishing on 1st of October. So counting would be on 4th of October, and everything would be over, bind up on 6th of October.
Now, apart from J&K, Haryana will also have their fates decided in the assembly elections on October 1st.
The schedule of Haryana. Haryana would be in the last phase, exactly coinciding with the third phase of J&K. Nomination being on 5th of September. Last date of making nomination on 12th of September. Date of poll 1st October. And date of counting coinciding with J&K on 4th of October. Everything to be over on 6th of October.
On the birthday of Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal, former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister and AAP leader Manish Sisodia visited the party's Kalkaji office for a meeting and then led a Padyatra in the Assembly constituency. The Aam Aadmi Party plans to hold these Padyatras across various assemblies in the city over the next month. Addressing the workers, Sisodia said, quote-unquote, "You can't threaten us, the worst you can do is kill us." Kejriwal has made sure every child in Delhi gets quality education and that citizens have access to good health care. He added, quote-unquote, "The BJP's goal was to keep Arvind Kejriwal and me from getting bail before the Delhi elections, but due to your prayers and well wishes, here I am today." And the 70th Annual National Film Awards for films released in 2022 were announced on Friday. Here's the list. The list of winners of the 70th National Film Awards is out, and here are the names. The Malayalam language drama Atham the Play won the Best Feature Film Award. Rishabh Shetty won the Best Actor Award, and the Best Actress honour was shared by Nithya Menon for Tamil film Tiruchitra Balam and Mansi Parekh for Gujarati film Kutch Express. Suraj Barjatya won the Best Director Award for his film Unchai. Neena Gupta was Best Supporting Actress for Ujai and Pawan Malhotra Best Supporting Actor for their Haryanvi film Fauja. Sharmila Tagore and Manoj Bajpayee starrer Gulmohar won the award for Hindi film. Bajpayee also got a special mention. A.R. Rahman won the National Film Award for Best Music Director for his work in Mani Ratnam's Ponniyin Selvan Part 1, which was also named the Best Tamil Film. Preetham got the award for Best Music Director for Brahmastra Part 1. Brahmastra also won award for Best VFX. Arijit Singh won National Award for Best Singer for the song Kisare.